Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and please subscribe it if you have not subscribed and if you are new also. Let's see, there are different ways to offer the help to others. Like we say, will you please do this for me? So there are simple ways also, and there are some other sentences which we can use here for offering help. Let's see those. See, would you like to drink a juice? If you want to ask someone about any drink or any juice, coffee, whatever, we can say, would you like to drink a juice, a coffee, a beverage, whatever? Shall I help you with? If you want to help someone with any work which he is doing, shall I help you with your work, your homework, your task, anything which he is doing? Can I get you something? If you feel that the other person wants something, now you can tell him, can I get you something? Means, can I bring the things to you? Can I get you something? Some water, paper, pen, anything which you want? Can I get you? Do you want me to have a look? Means you're feeling that he wants your help. He wants your support and help. So we can ask ourselves, do you want me to have a look at your work, at your project, at your file, whatever you are doing in that? If he wants me to just have a look. Next, we can also say like that, I'd be glad to help you with your cooking, with your work, with your preparation, whatever he's doing. I'd be glad to help you. I'd be happy to assist you. The other word for help, we can use assist. I'd be happy to assist you. Same thing with your work, with your arrangement, with your preparation, with anything what he is doing. I'd be happy to assist you. Next, very simply, we generally ask, what can I do for you? Anything I can do for you? What can I do for you? You can ask like that. I'm happy to be of service means I'm happy to be at your service, doing your things, helping you. I will be very happy if I help you, if I give you the service. So we can say that I'm happy to be of service. How can I help you? You tell me, please, how can I help you? You need my help? How can I help you? This way, we can offer the help to others. These are the sentences which we can use. And next, there is a when we want to accept the help also, we can use different sentences. Let's see. If he is offering you, now you agree with him that yes, I need your help. Then what will we do? Yes, please, I'd love to. Means I'd love to. Yes, I need your help. I'd love to get your help. Yes, please. If you wouldn't mind. Yeah, if you don't mind, I need your help. Help me. If you don't mind. Thank you. That would be great. Means he's offering you a help. Now you are saying thank you. That would be great. Means yes, I am very grateful that I am getting your help. I need your help. This is the way we can accept the help. Now, if he's offering you and you don't want his help at all, you can do your work of your own. But so you have to decline the help. You have to say no. So how politely you can say the no so that he doesn't feel any hurt and all, and it's very polite decline. What sentences we will use? Let's see. It's okay, I can manage. Means it's okay, I don't need your help, I can manage. It's okay, I can do it myself. You helped me, you offered me the help, it's okay, I can do it myself. Don't worry, I'll do it. You don't worry, I'll do it. I don't need your help. This is also a pattern of saying like polite decline. Declining, I'm saying no, that I don't need your help. No, dear, thank you. Means you are offering me the help. You need my help. No, dear, thank you. It's a very polite decline. No, dear, it's thank you. Sorry, thank you. Thank you for your offer, but I'd manage. Means you offered me the help. Thank you for that, but I'd manage. So these are the sentences which we can use when we want to offer the help to others, when we want to accept the help, or we want to decline the help. Then the sentences we can use to decline politely. Right? So this is all for the day. Thank you for watching and listening. And again, I am saying please subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. Thank you.